In today's video, you're going to find out how to make your garden building really shine with these cost-effective materials. Not only will it look good, but it'll last for many years to come too. So why don't you follow me down into the workshop to find out how you go from lonely clout nails to stylish fascia boards. And when I say fascia boards, I mean decking boards. These are the cheapest decking boards you can buy. Got them from Wicks. I think they were about £6 each, considerably cheaper than any of the other timber available at the time. It's about 22mm thick, which is just shy of an inch. That is good, solid timber. You know, it's made to be a decking board, but as a fascia board, that is going to last pretty much forever as far as I'm concerned. So this is like a do once job. Now, all I've done, these are treated. All I've done is just to make the finish quite nice, is give them a sand, just to take any roughness off them, and then paint them with Barrettine decking oil. It is decking, and this is decking oil. It's going to be used for something that's not related to decking. However, it's going to do the same job. It's water repellent, and it soaks right into the wood. So, really good stuff. I have already done the first coat, so this is just a second coat, and we are roughly between 12 and 24 hours from the first coat, so that's when you are okay to apply the second coat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some gloves on and a mask, and then I'm going to crack on. Right, here we go. I'm gonna fit the fascia board now. It's all painted. It's had 2 coats of decking oil, and that's had a good 24 hours to dry. So I'm gonna get it up there, get it into position, cut it and fit it. All right, what am I doing up here? All right, so I've got to put an edge on this side so I can get that corner right. So I'm going to do that now. On goes the edge so I can get it flush up against the front. And now what I've done at the other end is, if you haven't got anyone to help you, this is a good idea. Clamp a piece of wood on the other side just so you can rest the fascia onto it while you screw in the opposite end. Really does help when it comes to fitting stuff like this. Really, you really need 2 people, but you can get away with it if you use these little techniques. Bit of decking board with a bit of decking oil on it. It's nice and neat and tidy. Now I must do the soffits, which is going to be really tricky. I've cut all the pieces to fit up as the soffit board there, and now I'm going to give them a little coat of paint just to match the exterior of the workshop, so it'll all look nice. It'll look nice and modern. You'll see what I mean when we get there. Can you guess what I'm painting it with? That's right, Cuprinol ducksback. Swear by it. Great stuff. Goes on like silk. Whoa, look at that. It's thick. Load it up. I would say we've probably got about a board and a half of OSB. Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll get the pallets sorted outside and I'll go and put them on that. So here we are, resting on the pallets. You see it definitely needs another coat. There we are. It's had a little bit of time to dry. I need to be careful of the old patio. Yeah. Well, that roller's lovely and heavy. Right, those bits done. Just got one bit in there to do, but I'm going to lay them out on the floor and they can dry overnight. Don't pile on just yet. There is a support beam going all the way across for that one. So let me explain it a little bit what I've done. So as you can see, I've put that OSB that I painted black up there. That's to act as a soffit. This bit here, I'm going to be probably running some electricals for outside lighting. So that is an access hatch that's going to be screwed in. Now that the access hatch is cut, I'm gonna give it a nice lick of paint. Can you guess what paint it is? One guess. Cuprinol ducksback. Ta-da! Show you around the back. It just encloses the space perfectly.